Concentrate.
Ay nako, ano sinabi ng ulapot ni Ate G dito?
Pairam nga ulit ng board. Ay, papa-picture lang. Maganda
Ano
yung
sinabi
vibe.
ng hula hoop ni Ate G?
Sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
TG, tama na. TG, tama na. Please. Please.
Yung ngipin, TJ.
Girlie.
Konting close ng mouth.
Isara mo ang bibig mo.
Konting close ng mouth, TJ. Kailangan ano lang.
Tara, te.
Sige, ayusin ko lang itong board.
Bri, palagay mo lang.
May libre pa magazine, ha? She's rehearsing for the upcoming cruise show.
Come join us. What are you doing? Nothing, just chilling.
See, I could do that too, you know.